The next problem statement is to swap two numbers using temporary variable and implement the concept of call by reference. Remember, whenever we encounter with this term called call by reference, it is nothing but we are implementing using pointers. So we already know the definition of a pointer. A pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. Now here, what are the changes which we need to make as part of this code is just give the star. Int star indicates, so we are going to take a pointer variable. Let me take the pointer variable as int star p, int star q. So these are the two pointer variables. Now here, whatever the value, whichever we are trying to store of a and b, before swapping and after swapping, the values whatever we are trying to give it, so it should be in this form. The first value we are going to read the value of a, b, and next before swapping we are printing these values. This is fine. Now here what we need to make changes, swap of address of a comma address of b. So this is how we need to give it, swap of address of a comma address of b. Now here what is that we need to change here is int star p comma int star q. So this is what call by reference, passing the values using call by reference. This is for call by reference. Now here int swap of int star p star q, it is taking the address of the values of a and b. So pointer is a variable which is taking the address of another variable. Now this is how the address is been given in the place of star p and address of b is given in the place of star q. Here we are not going to take the actual values. Now let me take one temporary variable. Int temp is a variable. Now here how we need to perform the swapping logic is temp equal to star p. So if you want to store the pointer variable value, you can store like this, temp equal to star p and the star p equal to star q, star p equal to star q. Now star q is empty, so star q equal to temp. So this is how we are going to swap the values using call by reference. Here we need to write star p comma star q because they are pointer variables. Now let me execute the code and check whether I am going to get the output or not. Let me give the values of a and b. A value is 10, b value is 20. Now before swapping, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. After swapping, a value is 20 and b value is 10. So this is how we can implement the concept of call by reference for swapping of two numbers using temporary variable.